Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video I'll show you how to turn off core isolation on Windows 11 quickly and easily. Follow along and now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the search bar on your taskbar and type Windows Security, then open the Windows Security app. This built-in tool manages important protection settings for your computer. Step 2. When Windows Security opens, click on Device Security from the left sidebar. This section shows hardware-based security features that help protect your system. Step 3. Under the Core Isolation section, click on Core Isolation Details. This page lets you manage the security settings related to core isolation. Step 4. Find the option called Memory Integrity. This feature helps protect important Windows processes from malicious code. Step 5. Click the toggle next to Memory Integrity and turn it off. Some users disable it if certain drivers or apps are not compatible. Step 6. If a confirmation pop-up appears, click Yes to allow the change. This will turn off the Memory Integrity feature on your device. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech videos.